film him.
Colin.
Oh, get that. One just fell over. Oh, crap.
What are we doing? It's not shrimp versus weenies. That ain't.
First of all, suck dick.
That's
Second of all,
took the L.
we're back on the Susquehanna. We got 2, 4, 6, like 8 rods, 4 people. We got me, Cullen, Marshall, Greg, who's already in the water. We are back trying to beat our catfishing record right now.
Yeah, the record's 2.
Yeah.
It'll be broken.
I hope so. I mean, we just bought like whole new setups.
I mean, if we like stay out here till 1 a.m., we'll be all right.
Yeah, I mean, they'll start getting hot at night, so. We got like this whole island to ourselves.
It's pretty shallow over there.
Pretty
like
sweet.
this,
Marshall
no
just
way,
ate
that's what fishing.
absolute dirt in the mud, sunk down to his knees. We're gonna get these new rods set up and we will get casting.
Hell yeah.
We picked up these rods. We got some catfish rigs right here. And then we got these bells to let us know when there's one on the line. Only like 2 of the rods.
What if it's really windy?
Yeah, it's kind of like wind chimes. We'll see how this goes. We got what are those gizzards? We got gizzards and shrimp.
We rolling with the truck nuts and a crappie head.
Bro's got the full head on there.
And the truck nuts. Shit. Can't forget the truck nuts. Ices the fuck out of that guy. Ices. Ooh, cut his head off.
I hope this rod's worth it, damn.
Just don't toss it over mine. Dude, what a heave.
Heave on.
Dude, what is Greg doing out there? Fishing. So let's see, we got 1, soon to be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cat rods out right now.
They're all pretty close.
If there's one in this immediate area, we are gonna catch it. That is for sure. At least I hope so.
Well, as soon as it starts to get dark.
Yeah. I'll let the bait out there to marinate a little bit. Fire update, Cullen.
We're getting there. This is the worst part, is building it up.
Yeah, but then
I like the part where you just throw shit on it.
Yeah.
You know?
It's looking good though. It's actually catching.
It's getting there. The key is the little stuff.
And Greg's over here fly fishing.
We love Greg.
Greg bought 4 fishing rods. Only one of them's a cat rod.
Hey, that's Greg. That's Greg, baby.
The 3 bobber game.
Yeah, just to hold up all this, all this weight. What do you think? Good?
I think that's a fisherman's secret.
Yeah. You know, not many know.
What about the 3 bobber gang?
You like my bobbers? What? You like my bobbers? Damn, you got them on? Yeah, I think so. Okay.
What? Let's go.
Greg, you got one.
Damn!
Damn, he actually did get one.
It's a nice one.
That ain't a bad one.
First
Not
one
as
of the
big
night.
as that second one we thought, but yeah, that ain't a bad one.
Oh, just pulling seaweed.
Oh, yeah. Dude, that's a leader.
That'll work. High fives.
There's no size limit. High five.
Oh, I missed it. Let's go.
Dude,
Good shit, Greg.
first catch of the night.
Ready to eat. Are we gonna?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Nuggets all day long.
Let's cook this Johnson up.
It really is. Heat might be a little too hot. To walk, the
The
heat
secret
transfers.
lockdown recipe is Grill Master seasoning.
Mr. Grill something a little along these lines.
Smokehouse
Grill,
maple.
grill mates, dude, close enough. McCormick Magic is what my dad always said.
Okay.
Oh, the mayflies really add to it. Oh my god.
The mayflies are protein.
Oh my god. I'm glad that mayflies are flying in just like that. Oh my god.
Cool. Alright, show us what we got, our delicious
Alright, dude. Ready?
mayfly dinner meal.
Oh dude, look, and they just keep coming.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
What do you think? Oh
It'll
my
eat.
god. It'll be good, but there's so much extra protein I might OD.
Oh, okay. I gotta turn that off. That is disgusting.
Dude, I was having fun. Burnt my crock and shit.
Anybody got any scary campfire stories?
Anthony, did you even try any?
Yeah.
I mean, it was scrumptious, but like
I'm not sure
so
it's cooked, that's
overfishing
fine.
out all the mayflies.
You guys go.
Having the light on.
I guess.
Yo! Yeah, he's probably running at you to do that a lot. I don't know why.
Is he off?
Yo.
Oh, I see.
Another one for Greg.
I think it's a bass.
Dude, that's a little
Nah,
cat.
it's a little cat.
Dude, what the?
Little bust down little channel guy, you know what I mean?
The bust down channel
Why
guy
he
now.
got like moles and
Dude,
shit though.
Kill that mother.
Throw it right back in. Maybe it's a good thing it's a little weak. I probably would have pulled that shit right in.
Look at him.
You didn't take the rod.
It's number 2.
Rolly on my wrist.
All right, Greg, what's his name?
Oh, show the camera.
Little Jim.
Lil Jim.
Lil Jim.
Be free, little Jim. Go that way.
No, not this way. Where you going, cuz?
Keep on that way, Jim.
There you
Get
go.
your brother.
Be free.
Now he's looking for his daddy. He's on shore in the pan right now.
We gotta catch his dad, bro.
No, we did.
Nah, that's his brother. That's his big brother.
We gotta get the whole family tree.
No way. You got one?
Yeah.
I saw my rod bending. I'm gonna be kind of sad. And by kind of,
Yeah, I'll be swimming with the rod.
this might be a similar situation. No. Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, that's a fish. For real? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I promise this time. This time, it's getting landed.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, let's go. Come here, baby.
Stepping on
Come here.
rods.
Come here. Stepping on the beach. How the hell was he gonna eat that? I don't know, he was dumb enough. Let's go. Poo-poo head.
That's 3, baby.
What the? Wait a second. What happened? This was from my other one.
No way.
Look.
That's the one that snapped off.
Yeah. Yeah, I was gonna say. Dude. Fuck. Oh. He's off. No. Because that was my other bobber. So you caught the fish that originally snapped off. Dude, this hook is caught up in all the line from my one that snapped.
Dude, that's crazy.
That's no cap. That's
He
no
caught
cap.
the one that snapped off his other rod.
Damn, that's a good one. Nice job,
Yo,
Marshall.
dude,
Thanks, dude.
give me
Finally,
a
dude.
pose.
Yeah, let me bring her up. Dude, that's a tank. What happened to him?
Oh.
Uh-oh. One just fell over. Oh, crap. Oh, crap.
Got one, Greg.
I think it's small if I, well, no. I don't know what I got. I think it's nothing. False alarm.
I thought the first one was a false alarm.
Fuck. Nah, this one's definitely nothing.
Leave it.
How's this one coming along?
There we go. She's
What's
out.
his name, Marshall?
That's gonna be old, looks like a Chester to me.
Chester.
Go. Look at him go. Yeah, Chester's a beast. He's a beast. What the hell just happened? That was it. It wasn't really much of a fight. It just kind of came along with me. I think he was all tangled up in the other. There was
Dude, he was.
issues with this one. So we're gonna have to go back to the drawing board. Did Greg break off?
No, it is a false alarm.
I want a tank, dude.
I know.
I want like a one like that. Something that I'm pretty sure I'm gonna lose my life catching, maybe.
Yeah, someone's gonna pull me in. I want a river monster.
40-pound snakehead. Give it to me. You got a good line on that? Yeah. Let's go.
Christmas bells are ringing.
Oh yeah. Yep. We're on. Yeah.
We're on.
Come on.
Might be your best one yet. Go slow with the cone.
Yeah, I think this might be a good one. Yeah, dude, we need to scale out here.
I got one.
No.
I do.
Go get it. Go get it. Yeah. Get it ready. Anyone got pliers on them? Oh, jeez.
Oh, dude.
Jeez. Holy crap. Yeah, well, it's fighting me. It's like, it's fucking pulling me, dude. It don't want to come in. This is a good one, I think. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That might be the best one.
Yeah, that's definitely the best one we've caught.
Decent. decent. Where are you going? Come here, girl. That is a fish. Come here, girl. Oh my god. Let's go. Yeah.
You want to weigh?
Throw her on.
Yeah, let's get some numbers on this, John.
3 pounds.
3.7.
3.7.
That ain't bad.
Oh,
Can I
yeah.
hold it like that? Hold on. Here, take my phone. For all the hot mommies on the gram. Oh, this is going on Tinder. Here. Yeah, I heard women love people who catfish. They love fish pictures. Go.
Smile.
Wait, hold on. Let's go. Yeah, dude, no, not the not the fins down at the tail.
Right,
You're good at the tail.
Here we go.
Film him.
Colin. Oh, get that, grab it. Tighten it, or actually, don't tighten the drag. Get it. Right, get that drag. No, I thought that was a phone.
Yeah, it pulled pretty good.
Thanks, dog.
Yeah. It pulled more than that last one.
Yeah, it felt
I think it's because that last one swallowed it though.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
we got
yep.
pliers. Got
Is he
pliers?
running?
Yeah.
You do have pliers?
I don't have pliers right now.
Greg, you're such a master fisherman.
Oh shit.
Oh, the mouth looks big. Yeah, dude.
That might be it there.
Oh, dude. It's not having it right now.
Come on back. Bring her in.
Oh, that might be it, dude.
That was
That
one
might
right.
be over. Dude, this one has like... Yeah, they're always like all beat up.
Dude, this one, yeah, this is fat.
Yeah, this one, I think you beat me, Greg. I think it's missing a fin.
Or part of its fin, look at that.
Yeah. At least we hooked it in the mouth this time.
Yeah.
Lord forgive me for swearing.
Come on.
No.
What's everybody guess?
5'2".
6'2".
This 5'2".
Oh,
I'm saying 5'2".
yeah, this might be like 5'5". Calm down, son.
6'2".
Oh. Oh,
5'14".
That's 6
Let's
pounds.
go,
That's
dude.
5'14".
That's 6 pounds, bro.
No, it's not. 5'14".
Nice. Nice.
Dude, that's a...
That's...
Hold on. I need a picture of that.
Yeah.
That is a beast.
Oh my gosh, that's a beaut.
That's awesome.
Greg, kiss it and get barbed.
That is so cool. Holy shit.
Yeah, let it Yo, let go of the scale.
Open your mouth. I
Hey,
said, nah, I'm so hungry, cuh.
open it up.
I need some of that shrimpy poo.
Get, come on now.
All right, you're done.
Go get
Beaut, that's a beaut.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Bump.
It had, I mean, its fin was like nice and red. Oh.
Yeah,
Dude, Greg, master fisherman.
that was fun, man.
Little post-catch interview. How you feeling?
Dude, I'm feeling good.
Electric?
Yeah, man, it's a fun night.
Dude, that was electric.
That was a good one.
Awesome. Oh, rod down.
Papa Coop approves.
Apple met its match.
This is Greg's Moby Dick.
Huh?
Is it? Dude, I watched
Dude,
Moby Dick the other
peeling
night.
drag. Did ya? Come on, Greg. I feel like I see a shadow already. Dude, this is a I'll go out there and wrestle that pig.
You get barbed in 25 different spots.
Yeah. This is funny. This is my grandfather's like 70-year-old rod.
Really? About to fight. Yeah, it's got a big head on it.
Oh, he felt bigger than that.
That's not bad. He fought good though.
Yeah, that's a good one, man.
That ain't a bad one.
Guesses?
I'm gonna say
Wait for it to 0.
503.
I'm gonna say 4'7".
Yeah, I'm going with 4 or 5.
It's
Pretty, man. Yeah. I'll give it a 4.8 just for fun.
Ooh, 415.
15.
Ain't
a bad one. I don't know about the whole hook part though.
Very good.
Don't slap me. It wants to slap me so bad.
Yeah.
Alright. I'm gonna call you Lorraine.
Little Little bit.
Later.
Later, bozo.
Let's go.
Anybody want this one?
That's you, bro.
What you think?
Little daddy on the line.
Homie out here looking for some food.
He gonna be getting us some food.
You want that? Take a hold.
How big is
Oh, he
one,
tried.
dude?
He tried.
He got it. He won't let it go.
All right. Yeah, you're good. Later on, champ. It's about to rain. We gotta go. Gotta film it though. It's about to rain. Good. Are you filming right now?
I am filming right now. All of a sudden, there's a huge storm cloud
Decent cell.
rolling in.
Real big cell.
We should probably let the people over there know. How about it?
Yeah.
Rick, how you feeling?
I'm actually feeling pretty good. You had a good night.
I don't know if
But
they
I
can,
mean, like the storm's coming.
I don't know if they can hear that thunder.
Shit.
We're getting out of
That
here.
was funny. Within 2 minutes, we packed up.
I know.
We looked at the radar and like, yeah, no.
We were in max relaxation,
Yeah.
and I thought it was heat lightning. Now I'm stressed. I said we'd hear it if it was real lightning. Well, we hear it now.
Yeah, we do.
All right, well, thanks for watching. Like and comment if you enjoyed. I know we had a lot of fun. Caught, what, 6 catfish, and the heaviest one was 5 pounds, 14 ounces. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to drop a comment down below, like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.